Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Image Processing using MATLAB, the third lecture. In this lecture, we will read the RGB images and the indexed images. So, an RGB image is typically like this. You have a red plane, a green plane and a blue plane with the intensity values of the respective pixels. So, suppose I pick out one pixel from this, then that particular pixel will have the red intensity value, the green intensity value, the blue intensity value, and when these are superimposed on each other, then the color is produced. The other kind of image that we have is the indexed image. Now an indexed image has typically an index file and the color map. So the index are basically numbers, and you just have, suppose I say number 5, so that index is mapped to an RGB value in the color map. So an index 5 would have so much value for the R, so much for the green and so much for the blue. So typically the storage is less because here we are storing 3 arrays each for the RGB plane, and here we are just storing the indices and a color map. So we'll just read these in the MATLAB first now. So I just say maybe I is equal to imread and the same file flowers.tiff I read. And I say imshow I. So you can see that this image is displayed here. Now I can find out the other. I can say pixel info. Once this is running, you can see that the pixel information is given here. So typically what is happening, the XY coordinates are given and the RGB component of a particular pixel are given to us. So you can see a red kind of a thing would have more of R and other components are lesser. So now we can find out the size. So we can say size I. So you can see it is a 362 by 500 kind of an image, and it has 3 planes. So it is a 3-dimensional kind of a storage that we have, 3 matrices of 362 by 500 each size. I can also say I am pixel, and I can say I, and I give a particular pixel, maybe 300 comma 400. Okay, so this is out of the range. It's not a number. 20 and 40. So the number here that we are getting is R is this much, green is this much, and the blue is this much for a particular pixel. A color map does not affect this kind of an image. So I say color map maybe jet, and you can see there's no effect of a color map on such images, the RGB images. Now we will read the indexed image. So suppose I just say imread and I say emu.tiff. Now just to make sure that this is an indexed image, I'll first say imf info emu.tiff, and you can see that this is an indexed image. So I read that image. I already have it here in A. I say imshow A. So what's happening? This is the kind of image I am getting because I am just getting the indices, and the indices are basically numbers, and that is why it's displayed like this, because it's not showing the color right now. So to read an indexed image, I have to read it in another form. I can say maybe B and bmap. These are the variables in which I'll read my index and the color map respectively of the image, and I say imread emu.tiff, and then when I say imshow B comma bmap, this should show me the correct picture. So yes, I have it. In the next session we will explore more operations on images. Thank you.